Okay, so it is very difficult to get people to notice your channel because it takes a lot of time. I remember when I only had like 10 subscribers. I didn't know anything. I didn't know how to get people to notice my channel. So I started watching YouTube videos where I could get help, where I searched for how to get people to notice your channel. And it really worked. It really worked. So I started to use the tips that I have seen on the videos. Then people started to subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos. And that's why I'm here today to help you guys get people to notice your channel. It is very difficult to get people to notice your channel, but that's why I'm here today to help you guys to notice to get people to notice your channel. It takes a lot of time. You need to put effort and everything, but when people actually notice your channel, you're going to love it. Like, love it. It is amazing when people share, like, comment, and subscribe, turn on the bell notification, because it's very important to tell your subscribers to turn on the bell notification so that they could get updates when you post new videos. So we're starting the video right now. Hi, my name is Mercy. If you want to learn how to grow your channel, start by hitting that subscribe button and turning on the bell notification so that you can get updates when I post new videos. So I give shout outs, and when I give shoutouts, I watch your full video, I like, and I subscribe, and I personally turn on the bell notification so that I can get notifications when you guys post new videos, because I would love to watch you guys' videos. So all you have to do to get shout out is just to comment, or not comment, but you could like, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification, share this video with 5 friends, and comment something nice, or you could say that you have subscribed and liked, turn on the bell notification, and share the video with 5 friends so that I could watch your video, your whole video. I'm going to watch your whole video. Subscribe, like, turn on the bell notification, and I am also going to share your guys' video with my friends so that they could subscribe to you guys' channel and like, comment, and turn on the bell notification. So let's start. Okay, so the first tip I have for you guys is to upload videos that is longer than 10 minutes. YouTube loves when people upload videos that is longer than 10 minutes because it keeps people being on their platform for a very long time, and that's what YouTube wants. So you should always upload videos that is longer than 10 minutes because YouTube is going to recommend it to people, and people are going to watch your video. They may subscribe if they like your channel, subscribe, like, and also turn on the bell notification so that they could get updates when you post new videos. So if you have seen on my channel, I try to post videos that is longer than 10 minutes, but the first video I made, I didn't post, it was not 10 minutes, it was 5 minutes. It's that video where I showed you guys how to make noodles, but now I have a niche, and the niche is to help you guys grow your channel. But on that video, I just posted a video that was 5 minutes because I didn't know about YouTube algorithm, and that YouTube recommended videos from videos that was longer than 10 minutes. There was one time where I saw there is a channel called Nimin or something. I always saw her videos on the recommended page, so I also wanted to get my videos on the recommended page. So I searched on YouTube. I searched how to get your videos recommended on YouTube. That was when I found out that I need to have videos that is longer than 10 minutes. But I really like that how to cook noodles video, because that is why I haven't deleted it. That's why it's still on my channel. It really got 4,800 views, but that's because I got people to notice my channel, and that's how you guys should always upload videos that is longer than 10 minutes. It's going to come up on the recommended page, and people are going to watch your video, subscribe, like, and turn on the bell notification, and even comment. So that's why you guys always should upload videos that is longer than 10 minutes, because it's going to help you guys a lot. Let me break this down to you guys. You post a video that is 10 minutes long or longer than 10 minutes, and then you start to see growth on your channel. The very next day or after some days, you start to see growth on your channel. That's because your video has come on the recommended page and people have watched your video. That's why YouTube loves you to post videos that is longer than 10 minutes. It helps them a lot because YouTube wants people to stay on their platform as long as they can. That's why you always should upload videos that is longer than 10 minutes. Okay, so the second tip I find very, very helpful is to comment. Always comment on people's posts on YouTube. You should first comment something nice, and then you tell people about your channel, because I tried it one time. That was when I had 10 subscribers. I tried it, and the next day I think I woke up with 20 or 15 subscribers just because I personally commented on someone's video and told them what my channel was about. And on that comment, I think I got like 15 likes or something, and some people commented that they would check my channel out. Some people commented that they have subscribed, and some people commented that they liked my channel. So what you guys should do is, every time when you're done watching a video you watch on YouTube, you should go straight to the comments, comment something nice, and then comment about your channel. It's going to help you guys a lot. I did it when I had 10 subscribers, as I said before, and it helped me a lot. That was how I digged in and wanted to find more tips on how I could get people to notice my channel. So when you comment, for example, if your channel is about cooking, you could comment like, I love this video, it's absolutely nice or something, and then you say, my channel is about cooking. I cook different types of meals. So if you guys want to check out my channel, you could click my profile picture and subscribe to my channel if you like my channel, and watch my videos if you want to learn how to cook. It's going to help me a lot, and then people are actually going to go to your channel to watch your videos. I tried it and it 100% works, guys. It works. So you definitely should try it. It works, and it's so easy to do when you see that you don't get growth, like, so that you will not get like just one subscriber every month. I remember when I got that was so frustrated to watch, because I didn't know what to do, but now I'm here to help you guys. Okay, so the third tip I have for you guys is to promote your channel to social medias, because it helps a lot, especially when you promote your videos on Instagram and you put hashtag YouTube or something like that. People are actually going to see your video, and then you could put a link down below the video you posted on Instagram and say that they can click the link, because it's going to help people a lot to find your channel And some people may say or think that if they knew, they would have searched for channels like yours for a very long time, because it's actually many people who love, like, if you do vlogs, people love vlogs. If you do cooking, people want to learn how to cook. If you do YouTube growth hacks, many people want to learn how they can grow your channel, grow their channel. So it's very important to have a niche. This is a bonus tip. And it's also very, very important to have a niche, because if you don't have a niche, it's people are not going to notice your channel that fast, because they may watch one video but not more videos, because you don't have a niche. So you always need to have a niche. And let's get back to tip 3, as I say, to promote your channel on social medias. When you promote your channel on social medias, tell the people what your channel is about. Tell them what you do on your channel, what your goals are, and how many subscribers you have. And they're most likely going to check out your channel, subscribe, like, turn on the bell notification, and so on. So that's why it's very, very, very important to promote your channel on social medias. I still do it up till today, because it helps me a lot, guys. Okay, so as I said before, how to make the noodles video got 4,800 views just because I promoted it on social media. That's why you guys also should promote your videos on social media so that people can see your videos from there and then go to YouTube to watch more. That's a very, very helpful tip, and it helps me till today. So you guys should definitely do that. Okay, so the 4th tip I have for you guys is to always share your videos when you're done uploading it to YouTube. When you share your videos to family and friends, your family and friends may share it to people you don't know, and when they watch your video and like your channel, they're most likely going to subscribe and like, turn on the bell notification, and so on. That's why it's always important to what did I want to say? Yes, to share your videos with family and friends. So I share my videos with family and friends, and they share it to other people, that other people share it to other people, and so on. So that's why it's very important to share your videos with family and friends. And also you need to tell your subscribers to share your video if they liked it. Of course, share your videos with family and friends, with their family and friends, because it's going to help you a lot, and people are going to notice your channel so much faster when you do that. So I really recommend you guys to do this, because it's very, very helpful, and people continue to share your channel to other people, and they're most likely going to subscribe, like, turn on the bell notification, and so on. That's why you always should do this. Okay, so the 5th and last tip I have for you guys is to write an effective description. It's going to help you guys a lot, because don't forget that the first sentence of the description is what people look at the most, and then they begin to watch your video. Okay, so let me break this down for you guys. You have a video about cooking. You cook noodles. Or you have a video about how to get subscribers in 2020. And then you write the first sentence on your description is, one of these tips helped me a lot to get subscribers and reach where I am today. When people see this, they're most likely going to watch your whole video to see which tip that helped you a lot, and how they can do it. and they're most likely going to share it with a friend who has a YouTube channel or something like that. So that's why it's very important to have a good description. If you don't have a good description, people are going to click off your video, no one is going to share, no likes, or some people may dislike your video, no one is going to comment, and even if they have subscribed and the video didn't help them a lot, or your editing is not good, they may unsubscribe because they may think that that's how your editing is going to be in the future. So that's why it's always important to have an effective thumbnail, I mean description. It's going to help you guys a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a like, subscribe and turn on the bell notification, and comment if you want a shout out. There will be no shout outs for today because no one commented on my last post. It's very sad. No one commented on my last post, so there is no shout outs for today. But if you want to shout out in the future, make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell notification, like this video, share this video with 5 friends, and don't forget to comment when you have done all that. Comment something nice, or you could just comment that you have done the shout out rules with hashtag shout out rules. So see you in my next video. Bye.